Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ketchup with canned tomatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need two 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/2 teaspoon each of onion and garlic powder. These simple items are the foundation for delicious homemade ketchup. Now, let's get cooking. Pour all your ingredients into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Stir everything together thoroughly to combine. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, making sure to stir frequently to prevent sticking. Let it cook for at least 45 minutes, or until the sauce has visibly thickened and the flavors have fully developed. For that classic smooth ketchup texture, we need to blend and strain. Once your mixture has cooled slightly, carefully transfer it to a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until it's completely smooth. Then, push the blended ketchup through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, pressing firmly on any solids to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. We're almost done. Return the smooth, strained ketchup to the pot and simmer for another 10 minutes to further reduce and concentrate the flavors. This is your chance to taste and adjust the seasonings, perhaps a little more salt, sugar, or vinegar to suit your palate. Finally, pour the hot ketchup into sterilized jars, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace, and seal them for storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.